Currently writing basically Express.js function in Lambda, which allows you to, I mean, it's basically VS Code. You can deploy this. So it's like if you're looking at Express.js, Node.js, you have your routes, and then within those routes you have functions that obviously, whether it's like CRUD app, putting together a CRUD app, create, read, update, delete, and did I get it? Yeah, I got it. Apologize for the chewing. Let's see if this looks different. I don't know. Oh, nice. We're in biz. Nice. We fire that up pretty quick, to be completely honest. I don't know what's up with that light back there. It's been pissing me off. Alright. Let's see what's up. I want to write it. Let's just do it like this. Alright. I'm going to use Express. I'm literally going to do this. But, oh crap. I mean, the right way to do it is like this. Alright. We're back, baby. Go on your freaking Lambda function, your index. This is where I'd probably throw that. Right? So, and then within here, oh, I need to make sure I don't have my, I need a CD. I need a CD into that, baby. CD Lambda functions. Oh, here we go. That sounds like a retard. Yep. npm initialize, and then I'll do npm install express. And I also, oh wait, no, I already did that crap. Oh no, Jeff. Oh, you're fine. I mean, honestly, I can just delete that right now. But I already did it. I can just delete this. Whatever. I'll just delete that. Doesn't matter. Same thing. I'll delete this. Cool. Save. Essentially, I'm just going to take client, create a AWS fetch. So this is where I'll probably use my past one, but I want it to create dude, what? Oh my gosh, I should brain fart. Whatever. Alright. So essentially we're gonna do a get request at root. Let's not do it at root, let's just do a message. Okay. Well, we're gonna be doing it here. That's the whole point, Jeff. Yeah. Do JSON. But essentially what you do from here is you go to the, I go to reveal in File Explorer, and then I'll zip this up, and you just have to make sure all the packages that are required, I mean Express, I have Express, course, yeah, like all that crap. NodeMon, I mean, I don't know if that's even like the right thing to do for, but whatever. Start, and then NodeMon, NodeMon, and then index.js. I don't think this is necessary, but whatever. I'm in Lambda functions, npm install course. I don't need virtual environment, like basically environment variables. So when I deploy to Vercel, I've got, essentially it's like this. Like you have to create your file, so your separate file that doesn't get posted to, it's not exposed to the client. And so you can essentially keep it hidden and it's not uploaded or pushed to GitHub. You can do .local, but I just do this, just n, and then you define the variables. And for this we will be using honestly for not much. If anything, it would be for this the front end. So let's do it in the front end then. To add .env, I don't even know if I have. Oh my bad, dude. What the heck? Oh, let's finish this off, dog. Yeesh. Let's see here. What do I have for this variable? Oh man, I don't know. Oh boy. That's not good. Yeah. What do I want to do here, dude? Damn. Oh yeah, well, just focus on one thing at a time. Back up. Okay, let's close that out. We're focusing on backend. Get rid of this. We don't care for right now. Let's start over. So we are in what? Lambda functions. Okay. Let's check. Overwrite. NodeMon. Okay. I need npm install NodeMon dependency. Cool. Of course. Dang, dude. I need to drink water. Cool. I'm not worried about that right now. Refocus. Refocus. Essentially, oh yeah, I have to freaking zip this up. So Express, essentially we're gonna create an endpoint for this. That's gonna come back, send a message to the front end, the client, hello world. But right now we're focusing on, where are you, flowchart? Oh, there you are. We're focusing on Lambda, like Express.js equivalent, AWS routes. Ooh. Wow, that's quite nice. Whack. That'd actually be kind of sick. Shit. I could probably do that. That'll look good. All right, so we have Express.js, AWS routes. We have, we're gonna do, oh, that would've been sick. No. What's like the go-to? Crap. Oh no, this is not important. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Lamb. Yeesh. All right, let's go. Oh yeah, that's where we were. So we're at the point where we're deploying, we're not deploying, we're zipping up the file of this of the Lambda folder, Lambda functions folder that has all the packages. So what I do is go to reveal in File Explorer, create a zip, send to compress, zip file, whatever. It's the same thing, right? Yeah. Okay, and I go back to here, Lambda functions. I go to upload. I mean, honestly, you can just drag and drop, I think. Oh wait, no. Oh crap! I did not mean to do that. There we go. Now we can do it. Okay. Now we're cooking. Now it's gonna upload the folder. I mean, I guess I don't have to put in the folder, but it has all the. There's a way to do. It's called layers apparently. So down here, you can add the JSON stuff, the files in modules. But what's important is environment variables, which is under configure here. This is like super important. If you don't get that right, or if you forget about it, you're screwed. Nothing will work as far as course is concerned. All right. We won't worry about that right now. That's fine. No worries. That's fine. I can just delete that. Now I'm going to take all of these bad boys and just cut them out of the folder and put them here and just delete this. I don't know why I do it, but delete. Cool. Now everything's all peachy. We could test it. But I look like a fool if I. All right, but oh yeah, let's change this to MJS. Was it MJS? It was MJS. MJS. I don't think it's gonna work. It's been a while. I need to go to. Gosh, dude. What? What's next? Gosh, I need to think. Let's deploy it. All right. Test. Okay. Let's just create a test. I don't. I forget. I mean, test. Just what did I say? Import runtime. I'm an idiot. Can't file index. What? Oh. Oh no, what the deuce? Oh shoot. Did I delete it? Well, that's unfortunate. How did I delete that? Alright, let's yeesh. Let's try that again. Alright, that's done. Alright, buddy. Or maybe I'm just retarded. I think I was just retarded. Like, for real. Do I have to do the Amazon SDK? I think I do. I don't know. Need download. chilling. Okay. Let's deploy. Okay. Yeah, let's do this. I want to go okay. Be honest. Dude, how easy is that? Nah. Okay. Okay. It was easy. That's all I had to do. I'm fine with that. I'll just bundle this bad boy up. We have all the modules. Yeah, so we're chilling. Let's delete it. Do it again. That's fine. Okay. Just press again. What? Oh my god. There we go. Okay. Let's see if I uploaded the correct one. Cool. Yeah, we're good. Texting the family. Yeah, I need to figure out a better way to do this, which I will, but alright. Just get rid of this jazz for now. Deploy it. Now I'm going to test it. What am I doing wrong? It's right here. Runtime. My bad. Let's first take you out of the box and cut, paste, delete, rename, MJS. Okay. Redeploy. Why am I doing this live? Bro. I think it's index handler. I don't know, man. I forgot. I'm retarded. And yeah, that was like, it looks like it disappears. Okay, I am so confused. What? So that's not correct at all. Am I just getting it wrong? I might be retarded. What am I doing? Oh my gosh. Dang, man. Okay. I mean, can I just do like that now? You know what I mean? Can I just go new file, index.js? Right? Split. Test. There we go. Golly, man. Oh, why I didn't give up? That was a pain in the rear end. I'm an idiot. Man, oh man. Maybe I should stand up. Yeah, dude. Wow. Came together. Yeah, dude. Little space. All right. All right. They're still having fun. So, wow, you have to. So it's a module. Okay, so that's why it needs to be serverless. Similar to, yeah, your handler. Awesome. Now, the next step would be to, well, it's deployed, so. No, where? Is it function URL? So we have access to this route now. Permissions. We have our role name. Okay, let's see if we need to add any access or permissions to the role. I'm assuming we do. We need it to the lambda function, which is right here. All right. it going to north? Nope. That'd be a mistake. You have to make sure it's on the correct one. That's for dang sure. Okay. Message not found. Prod. No. I don't think that's ready yet. Routes. Oh my gosh, we're getting... no. Function URL info. As I am, I think you create this, man. To be honest, configure cross-origin access function from any domain. Yeah, screw it. That's fine with me. Enable a course. Heck yeah. Okay, I don't need API. I guess API gateway. Man, it's so much fucking information. Obviously, the girls are probably still there. All right, AWS, I am. Okay, only authentic commemorators. Mine won't perform. I mean, that's fine. Let's just do that. Why do I just create a REST API, dude? Configure response stream. Get just all. What optional? Ay. Save. All right, we got the function now. So theoretically, I don't know. There we go. Nice. Theoretically, we got it. So, all right, now we can call that as the endpoint. Hi, caramba. Reinforces it though. All right, so now we have the function URL. Now, I might need to add JSON parsing. We'll see, but with the message it should show up. All right, I'm just gonna do that really quick. I don't care. This looks so good. This looks so good. Totally impressed. Truly, pretty amazing. All right. I think we're chilling now. Let's see here. I'm gonna go to source, go back into the client. I'm going to rename this mother trucker just AWS fetch. To essentially have our, we're gonna load the message or get make the state for the message. So the message, when this use effect is called, when it mounts, component mounts, it's going to store message in here, so like hello world, and then set message is going to provide text after it fetches the URL, which I need to put message. So we have fetch endpoint. Then this is old, but we're going with it. Then a response gets back from the endpoint. If response is okay, or throw new error if it does not. Return text. So if does, all good. Returns text. let's do different track. We're going to Marsh. Now, return the res text variable. Okay, then we have the text that essentially we're setting the message with the text. We're passing the text into the set message. This is easy. It's just set loading, false. I mean, I could put true. Could I put true? What was this? I've never done this stuff, dude. Cool. A promise catch. Init, return this, make directory. Then this right. Okay. Sure. We have, okay, we have loading, cool, server says message. All right, now we have AWS. I'm going to just go to app, delete all this, create, using the RACF, so you get the React, app, return, function, all that, all in one. And I'm gonna put it in, what are these called in? Whatever. All right, we'll put it in a div. So I'm just gonna take the, I'm gonna import AWS fetch. Did I need this? I didn't, that's why. All right, there we go, now we're good. AWS fetch. And, okay, we're good there. Go back to app. Now let's see here. Oh, did I break it? We need to run it again, I'm assuming. Let's get out of here. I don't need this at the moment. I could try it on that as well, to be honest. So if I wanted, I could just use Postman, copy this into Postman, but do a get. So we're getting something from this endpoint, getting the message that's on the server. Now I'm gonna go to body, raw, and I'm gonna get basically the message. So I think it's, is it a message? Oh. Yeah, message, right? Could be completely freaking wrong right now. Oh. It's been a while. Hey, dang. Holy shnikes, sometimes I surprise myself. Holy crap. Look at that, man. Not bad, not a bad memory. Holy caramba. Alright, so theoretically, we should be in business. We can make it look fancy. So essentially we're setting up our endpoints, our end routes for a get. So get the invoice, so we can change that to be an invoice, blah, blah, blah. Change to have ID. So we created the Lambda function from here, from inside VS Code, created a zip file. Then we threw that into our Lambda function, created a function URL, so then our React front end could fetch the data. We allowed course all, so we're chilling there. So theoretically, we should be good. Client full stack. npm run dev. Oh boy. Alright, let's see what I did wrong. Cool. App. Oh, well, we gotta define it, y'all. Duh. App. Import. import, buddy. Import AWS fetch. Booyah. A from, I don't know why it's not. It should be just right here. Booyah. There we go. Boom. We set up Lambda function and connect it locally to our front end client, which is, well, that's weird, which is Vite React app. And I'm going to throw a little bit of Daisy in there because we can make it a little bit more fun. So all I do is really, I'll need to CD back in a client. I'm going to throw in a Tailwind, npm, node package module. I'm going to go to the index, delete all this. So now we're importing Tailwind CSS globally, basically, and then this is the last step. This is the config file. I'm just going to copy this and then just type in the Tailwind. This needs to be cool. Chilling. All right, now we have Tailwind installed. We could style this if we wanted to. Honestly, I will probably just take one of Daisy UI. Is pretty sweet too. I need water so bad. This looks so good. This looks so much better. And I'm also going to be playing this song a lot. All right, let's do, I don't care. I mean, I can just use this cheat sheet here. To be completely frank, I don't really care at the moment. I'll give you an example of what I'll do. I'll just take code, just go ChatGPT, take line, and add styling from, I'm just going to go to the Tailwind website and have them use like, find like a font or text that I like, and then just take the React code. Let's see. Man, there's so much to do. All right, sure enough, here we go. Watch this magic in the best way. Saves incredible amount of time. Booyah. Look how good that looks. Didn't have to write out all the CSS. And then if you like really want to get all wild with it and you want to scale and get funky, then you can go in there and change it. But look at it, it's freaking brilliant. It's perfect. It's freaking perfect. FullStackDev. Booyah. All right, cool. Okay, so we created an endpoint, essentially, that is in AWS that returns a message. It says hello world, and that's just getting something. So if we wanted to get an invoice, for example, I'm totally gonna repeat this again. I don't care. I don't care. All right, so let's move down to TAD. Let's get another one. Ow. We're gonna write. Oh man, this is where it could get interesting, because I could do it all within the JSON object schema. Oh crap, I forgot how to do this. These are leaving me. I need more water. Alright, so we're gonna do invoices. So do invoices. Damn, my shoulders are really starting to hurt. It's gonna get all the invoices. Invoices, right? Oh crap! I forget how to do that. I totally forget. Just like an array, basically. I guess I can write an array, maybe up top. I can't stop looking at my phone. Sorry. Everyone's ignoring me. This sucks. Yeah, I knew it. Yeah, you had to throw it in basically an array. I knew it. So you create the array. That's fine with me. Get the ID. Request. Oh, nice. Okay. And then app get. It's going to get the invoices. Request, response, and it's going to be JSON. Yep. Response JSON, and just going to give it a list basically of all of them. Okay. So there we go. Now I'm going to redeploy this, and theoretically we should be good to go again. I could use Postman, but honestly, if we just have invoices, I can. I mean, we have the ID, but that's what we can use for the ID for the next one, I would assume. Okay, so this is coming back. Send. That's not JSON though. I might need to type in. I might have to do. Parse JSON, I think too. Yeah, app use. That's what I want to make sure I have. We want the app to use Express JSON. So we're totally good here. So we can parse this later. Get invoices returned. Cool. No, it's definitely not running on. Plus, it's not that at all. Invoices. I just need to honestly just invoke it. So redeploy. Oh, we're good. We're good. Don't care. Don't care. Yeah, we're good. All right, now go to monitor. Do I have to create another freaking? Damn. Okay. Huh. Am I tripping? Why am I having to do another one? But the frick? What? I did new statement ID or remove existing statement? I'm confused out of my mind. Oh, jeez, bud. Idiot. Yeah, we should be good now, dude. You're just like in the wrong freaking window. Man. Okay. Yeah, we're good. Bum, bum. Let's do invoice is whatever. Keep it simple. Now we'll change a few things here. I want to put the endpoint. I want to put the endpoint of the function. Copy. Put that there. Now we're going to fetch the invoices as a list. We can probably add funky, wonky stuff to it if we wanted to. Okie dokie. Now let's just import it to here. Let's put it at the bottom and import invoices in. And I need to rename it because it's definitely not called invoices. Now we're chilling. Cool. App in. I love it when it does that. Oh, it feels so good. All right. Oop. It's not mapping. Invoice map is not a function. Invoices.map is not a function. Invoices map ID. The heck? Huh. All right. So this is mapping. All right. I don't. Go back, buddy. Let's check this out. I don't know if it's. Is it deployed? Like invoices, response invoices. ID, date, amount. Did it deploy? Okay, come on. Maybe it never deployed. Maybe I never, no changes made, okay. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Invoices. This is a mapping issue. Yeah. Come on, girls. Okay, come on. Okay. This is actually an array. This array means that whatever you set into invoices isn't actually an array. Most likely your fetch is returning an object instead of, okay. Okay. No lash state. Okay. It's just on JSON. Okay. I think I need to add parse. I think it's the actual function. Like here. No. I don't have parse. I don't have the parse. Dang it. I need to add that, dude. Alright, I think that's why. That is why, everyone. I need to add it to the Lambda function. This is really dumb that I'm doing this. What was I gonna import? Oh yeah, body, crap. Shoot, what is it called? Parse, body parser. There it is, body parser. Okay. Oh man. All right, man, I'm lonely. I'm lonely here. Oh man. All right, now that it is there, body parser, I'm going to zip this back up. Reveal and Finder. I'm just going to overwrite. Delete this one. And then I'm just rename it, whatever. I mean, I don't know why. I don't know why. But it's okay. Upload. With. I know there's an easier way to do this. I believe it's layers. That's where you can add the JSON modules that are needed. Delete. Oh shoot. Delete. All right. I'm assuming I had. Oh man. No. That's fine. That's fine. I don't know if I think I did. I don't remember. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna throw that previous code that we had. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Mock data, parse, blah blah blah, optional. Okay. No, but I want it to be. Oh no. Yeah, that's what I want. I want that. And then, son of a bee, dude. What the frick? Yeah, there we go. Send back a JSON array. So that's what we were doing wrong. So I was sending back an object, therefore it was having mapping issues because it wasn't able to parse it with that module. So we should be good now. Oh man, no one. All right, deployed. Okay, now let's take a look at client. Go back into invoices. We need to deploy this bad boy. I wonder if I need to add Axios. Oh my gosh, Jeff. Oh, there's so much there, it just hurts my face. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do it. Whatever. npm install course. Okay, we're back. Oh, wow. Oh, crap, dude. Come on, girls. All right, let's cd into client, npm run dev. All right, what the deuce? What has happened, yo? Oh well, that's why. What the heck? JSON's requests. I don't even know if I have course on here, dude. Do I? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm retarded, I think. Oh man, really? I don't want to do that. It's taking way too long. All right. Lambda. Dude, oh man, there's no more. There's a little bit there. Oh yeah. My bad. Let's try that first. All right, we're a business now. Totally forgot. Definitely want to do Axios. Cool. All right, so you're doing it this way. We're importing Lambda fetcher. So we're using the API, which is nice. We're using the Vite API URL environment variable. We're gonna pass it to, let's just call this lambda fetcher. Yeah, fetcher. Oh boy. Okay, and I'm just gonna bring it in to the app. I'm going to get rid of this for now, and import Lambda fetcher. I think we should be good now. Gosh, man. Let's kill the other servers really quick. Let's Oh my gosh, what is happening? What is the error here? What the heck, dude? Oh. Huh. Oh yeah. Well, yeah. We're gonna do that there, bud. Let's make sure this is correct. Dang it, dude. Over that. MJS, bro. MJS, index.mjs. What the deuce, man? Oh, do I really? Alright, fine. That's all I have to do. I forgot. Module. Type. Yeah. There we go. I need water. Crap. Alright. Yeah. There we go, y'all. Hang on, man. That's annoying. Alright, we're back in business there. Alright. Heck yeah. Now let's take a look at there we go. Thank you, Jesus. Cool. Way to fetch. Took way too freaking long. Invoices ID. If I wanted, you know what? I'm gonna do this really quick. Actually, I'm gonna be way faster on this because I did this more recent. We're going to create the user pool cognito, so the login, and then hopefully my lady comes and brings me some water. All right, let's call this. Man, I cannot stop playing that song. I should probably stop playing that song. We'll do FullStackDev project auth. Oh, pool. Whatever. We're just going to. So as far as configure options. I'm gonna have to use the URL for Google, but I have that over here. Man, I've been here all day, dude. This is insane. I go to email, phone number. These are all of the options that you can choose. Like for example, with Google Console, their scopes, data scope set are required, and I just keep it simple and just do email. But we're good for right now. All right. We're gonna add our ID cert module. I don't know if I'm CD'd into here, but we'll make it happen. Now we have the React code. This is important because these are going to be our redirects, not the client ID, but this redirect URI. That's important because that's going to change to a protected route. Which is which we can do now in install create a React browser. Let's just do it. npm install React browser. Am I tripping again? React. Yeah, browser router. React DOM. Idiot. You know what I meant. npm install React router DOM. Alright, cool. Now, I mean, this is where you'd import. import, nope. Import router and route, I think. No, routes and router, I believe. From React router DOM. How's that crap going in? Yeah. Here we go. Get out there. We'll do a route. Route. I'm gonna do it this way. Honestly, I enjoy putting everything in here in the main, like main file, main JSX file. Just cleaner. Router. Ow. Router. Ow. Ah, I forget, dude. I mean, is it okay to forget, for crying out loud? I am savage, dude. So much of this. Alright. Yeah. Okay, we're good. Let me just put this down here for a second. Let's wrap the components into a router. Get rid of those actually. And now we're going to do the routes. Define the routes. And then inside the routes we're gonna do a route. Oops. Route. Oh yeah, path. Yep. And then we're gonna do route's gonna be. We'll create a home page. Element. This is where we pass in. Come on, oh, comma. Hold on. Let me put a comma. Oh wait, what? Oh, I'm tripping. Oh yeah, it needs to be brackets. And then it's going to be the function. So now we have our root there. Close it. Awesome. We've already imported it. Now you can just copy and paste this and bring in the Lambda fetcher, and we're going to change it to Lambda fetch. Okay, Lambda fetch, Lambda fetcher. So we have, I'm going to make one more route, and I'm going to create a home page. Oh, the battery's low. Not cool, dude. The other UI that I like to use is Daisy. Let's just do that really quick, since we're already in the CD. We already CD'd in. This one's easy to install. Just add the plugin to the index CSS file. Oh man, everyone's just ignoring me. It's crazy. All right, now we have Daisy installed. I'm gonna use their home page. You know what? I'm just gonna use this as an example. I'm gonna use this carousel. Let's look at this one. We'll bring it in really quick. imports from S3 bucket. Cool. It looks so great in here. It looks great or really bad out there. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. I don't know why I do this to myself, but whatever. Image. Carousel. Cool. I'm going to change all the image keys. Don't need that. I'm going to create an S3 bucket with the images. And then obviously I need to, well, it's already defined here, so that's good. So screw it. Let's just do that really quick. Let's create a, well, I was doing this, huh? But that's okay. That's okay. You can come back to that. That's really easy. We're going to go to S3. Sun's coming out a little bit. We're going to go to create bucket. This is a great way to, I'm just going to do full stack prod. I think you have to all be lowercase too. Project images. I want to take block all public access. Click that off. If you have that on, you would not be able to access your bucket or your endpoints. So make sure that's off. I think I'm going to get an error because of this. All right. Full stack project images. Oh, that too. Maybe I don't. Maybe I didn't need to do that. All right. So let's bring in some images that I have from Midjourney because I use Midjourney all the time. We can do. Heck, let's just do a video. Let's go for it. Let's do this tasty one. Let's do our cute little guy there for my menu that I'm building. Let's do a Lego. All right, now let's upload. Dude, maybe I'll make some coffee or something, whatever. Okay, now this is the destination. Tasty. Okay, these are the videos. This is what all I have to do right here is get this object URL. I'm going to paste that here. Get rid of the endpoint and then have image keys go through each one. So all I need to do is, I don't need this because it's not stock. The images, S3 images are not, and so that's, if you look at, it's just basically full stack project images. Then where's the bucket? Oh yeah, and then I need to do this as well. This is important. Permissions, bucket policy. Chorus, enable chorus. Gosh darn it. What do I have for the other ones? I don't care for anything bug scrap. But wait, I need to make sure it's the correct. Hold on. Northwest. Okay, there we go. US West 2. Permissions. Alright, this is what we need. Okay, what did I do? Did I add course? No, I think I did that somewhere else. S3. Full stack project images, permissions, edit, copy and paste that in, but make sure you change make sure you change this, the resource name, to full stack project images. Cool. Save. Chillin'. Now we have access to this bucket, and we have the endpoint already, so therefore our React front end, all I need to change is the image keys to the names. Like, so I'll just do this. I hope. Because image keys slash. So it's already having the, I think we're good there. And then, where'd the bucket go down? Oh, I just go back. My bad. We'll do this guy too. All right, I'll add you. Okay, so theoretically, this should image carousel. Yeah, I forgot about the routes. So let's add the image. I'm gonna add it to the home screen, the home page, or the root. Image carousel. So this should be pulling them images in now. Oh man, I haven't run this in a while. Oh yeah, cool. Alright, let's run it. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen, bro. Oh. Alright, what's the sitch here? Oh yeah, my bad. Let's format this. I need to go to main. I'm going to import. Crap. Wait, is that right, dude? I forget. Don't remember. Gosh darn it. I'm just looking at past project. Yeah, browser router, dude. Dummy. Oh, and I got the wrong thing installed. npm install brow React. I think I have it all in there. Hey. Gosh, man. Oh, well, that's probably why too. Put that in there. Leave it all behind. Alright, I think we're fine. I just need to get the URL again. Get rid of. I don't need that. Okay. Jeez. You know, for simplicity, I'm just gonna do it like this. Man, I don't care. Wherever it's at, though. Man, oh man, I've been here all freaking day. We'll do tasty. All right. All right. Don't care. Just put the app inside, wrap the app, and we're good to go. Good to go there. All right. Good there. Leave it all behind. Routes, that bar. Let's get rid of that. Route. Cool. I like it. Let's CD back in. I think we're on track here. Yup. Nice. We did it. We did it, y'all. We set up S3 bucket images that with the endpoint of our bucket images, we have our array that is then mapped This is where we can mess around with, like, for example, maybe let's add some more. Let's just add all of them, I guess. I don't know how many there are, but we did it. So we have an S3 bucket set up. Tasty PNG. Cool. Do I have to restart it again? What do I do, man? Crap. It's streaming. Save. Alright, cool. People are gonna pull from my crap now. I brush my teeth. Okay, carousel plus 3. CD. All right. Nice. Okay, so I don't know why. How does it look on mobile? All right, yeah, it's like a mobile thing. Okay. So why can't I scroll on desktop? Whatever. Does it matter? It doesn't really matter. Lego was. Let's do tasty. Add you there, bud. Cool. We successfully imported them. Let's see what else we can do. I need a job. Cool. We have all of our fun stuff. There. All right. I think we're good to go. Let's take a gander. That's hilarious. What the heck? Does it have to play? Well, maybe we won't do the video. It's not really. Let's just do another coding cowboy. We'll switch that up. Coding cowboy 2 dot png. All right, we're good now. Dang, dude, what's going on here? So stupid. Coding. Alright, cool. Looks fine on mobile. Who cares? Alright, so we successfully imported our images from S3, AWS. Now let's just add that as a component of a home screen here. Yeah, let's do this. All right, bring in the home page. Heck, man, we could probably just, I don't know why it didn't bring in a background, but background base, we'll probably just add an image. All right, let's add the route. Images, home page. All right, cool. We're gonna bring in that same thing that we kind of did last time. I don't know. Where's everybody, man? All right. Well, let's add that hero image, you know? Midjourney's great. I use Midjourney all the time. Let's see here. Watch this. This is gonna be dumb. And then you gotta specify the ratio, 16:9. We're good. All right, that will pop out for a second. Good to go. Now let's add, you know, it's been a while with Ben. That's hilarious. Which one? Which one? Bottom right? Let's do bottom right. Just quickly save, whatever. BG full stack. After this, I'm gonna do the cognito really quick. Close. My posture's terrible. What's it called? In them moments, I lose focus. There we go. Check that out, y'all. All right, now I'm gonna make that button. Okay, next step. We're gonna make that button. Oh gosh. Button go to. I want nav link. Ouch. Two. Ow. Oh my gosh. I need to stretch more. Struggling. These moments, lose focus. Alright, we're good to go. Add the nav link. It's definitely not get started. We're gonna do lambda. Ow! Lambda functions, which needs to be another route, to be honest. Ow, frick. Nah, actually just be this. Lambda functions. There we go. Okay. See, now we created a route. Get started. Goes to the Lambda function page. It fetches the data from AWS. We have our hello world message with Lambda function, and also invoices. We also have our S3 bucket images. And my back really hurts. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ow. 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 All right. We'll move on to the Cognito, which is authorization. I need to create a user pool, which I did. I just need to rename it. So let's rename it to FullStackDev project user pool. It's good enough, right? Okay. First step, manage providers. I will add an identity provider. I'll pull this over here for now. So, I mean, I guess you guys don't really need to see, or it doesn't really matter. All right, now, where's my Google console? Right on. I got my Coding Cowboy Google Cloud console with my client IDs. Oh shoot, go back, bud. This is taking so long, bro, but whatever. We're doing it. Go back, bud. Credentials, dog. Alright, so now I have to add my Google Client ID and my Google secret, client secret. Client secret. Man, this is taking, feels like it's taking forever. Okay, enter scopes. We want to make sure email is there, and click email also for map, because this is important, because if you don't have your scope within Google Cloud, Google Console, my bad, you're gonna have a bad time. All right, cool. Okie dokie. Now, next step is to add, so we're in Cognito, we got our social provider. Okay, we have our social provider. We're gonna go to app clients, FullStackDev, go to login pages. We're going to do edit. We want to manage our URLs and our redirects. Why am I looking over there? So, for example, we're going to just, since this is dev, we're just going to take localhost 5173. Make sure you have that dash important. Go down to Google, so identity providers. Now we add that Google, and we're pretty much done for now. I'm not going to worry about much. I mean, I can do Apple and then Facebook, but now we have these fellas here. And in Google console, I already have the redirect URIs and URLs and JavaScript origins set up. So theoretically, let's see what we get. Okay, that's fine. I need to add oh yes, very important, the domain. Oh yeah, domain. Add this to the Google Cloud console. Why do I keep on saying that? Google console, jeez, man. And in addition to that, you have to add OAuth endpoint as well on top, in addition to the domain. I'm going to add it to the JavaScript source here as well, and hit save. Now that error will be gone. See, now we can log in. Well, at least get the user data. See? Okay, successfully signed in. All right. Next step. This is very important. Next step. This is I'm gonna show here. We're going to take. I'm gonna grab another area. Let's go up here, buddy. Frame. Oh man, this is great. Wow, feeling the flow. Feeling the flow. We're doing cognito. I really would rather type, to be completely frank, but I'm not very good at this yet. Oh, look at that. Cognito, AWS, user pool. Oh, snap. Okay. This is fantastic. Oh man, this is a really good song. Nice, dude. Cool. That works. Okay, we have our user pool. Heck yeah, dude. Oh yeah, way better. Computer just went to brightness mode. I'm so thirsty. Cognito AWS user pool. We're gonna pretend we're the user. Oh, that's cool. Here's the user. Ah, that actually is way better, huh? Let's put you up here, I guess. Dude, that's fantastic. Cool. All right, whatever. Oop. Put you up here. That's so nice, dude. I like this so much. It's free too. It's great. Okay, where the heck was I? Whatever. We got the user logging in. Here's my dang code. Son of a bee sting. Oh yeah. So not with me. So not with me. Heck yeah. Okay. Now this is port. That's where I was. All right. Now we're going to go back to routes. Let's go. Okay. Think. Oh yeah. Go back to apps. Under Amazon Cognito. This is the important part right here. We're taking this code, which is the index, which is the main JX file. Same thing. Basically, copy and paste that in there, and then just grab. Just add the create browser router. I believe it's on. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. On top, I wrap the whole main app in browser router. Let's put you up here, buddy. All right, save index. I want to keep you too, dog. Yeah, I know. I'll put you at the bottom. Okay. All right. dude. This is ridiculous, man. I've been sitting here working on this all day. Hopefully I'm still streaming. Holy crap. We've been doing this for 2 hours. Man, oh man, you need to chill. You need to chill. That is blinding me, bro. Alright, we're chilling now. Okay, where the heck am I? Okay, we need to change the redirect URI to localhost. I don't want this song. Promise you. Oh, this one's great. Oh man, I haven't heard this in a while. We need to do localhost. Bro, where are you? All right. CD, npm. Wait, no. Oh yeah. Nice. I could have gone back. Darn it. Whatever. npm run dev. All right, now we're getting started. We are into our Lambda fetcher. In the Lambda fetcher, I want to put the, I guess I never put the image carousels on. I guess I could do that. Screw it. I'll just do, I'm gonna put wrap the whole, do some JSX code. Gonna wrap the whole return statement, and then I can put components. I'm just gonna put it at the bottom and pass the image carousel. So it should come up down to the bottom. All right, cool. We have that going for us. Still on. Okay. Ow, 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 ow. I'm gonna stand. Okay, we are now making our way to, what was it doing? Okay, the protected route. So instead of it going, let's have it go. God, maybe I'll go. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, I'm gonna go soon. However, we are chilling. All right. Oh yeah, jeez, buddy. Now, okay. Nice. Let's see here. Let's go back to our Amazon Cognito, go to our login pages, go to view page login, and I want to get rid of this fella. I want to get, I mean, I guess I don't need to, but maybe I'll just put it in like a keep folder. What should I do? I don't know why I keep. Okay, let's get rid of that. Okie dokie. Ow, my leg. I want this going to And now we have to add the actual route. So it's not protected. So we don't have to do auth right now. I'm not worried about that. I'm just gonna do, let's just do whatever. Let's say they have to log in with Google, and then they go to Lambda Fetcher, what is the route, dude? There it is. Oh, Lambda functions, bud. Okay. Go back to. Okay, there we go. Now you log in, and then I need to add this route to, I don't think to my Google console, but I'm just gonna do it anyways. Add URL, not that one. Redirect URI. Wait, no. Is it to here, up here? Whoops. There we go. Okay, save. All right, now I'm gonna go back to and add that route. We should be chilling now. View login page. There we go. Nice. Hi. So when somebody else logs in, you know what I want to do though? I haven't found out yet. And then I'm gonna go is create a sign out. Sign out for this. All right, man, we're almost done. This is almost a full stack app. In the meantime, I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna go npm. I'm gonna push this to for sale. Screw it. Put it into my seamless bytes. This is my Docker. So we'll run on. Oh man, what the heck? Okay. Okay. What the heck is this? Update. Okay. The heck? Interesting. No. No. Rect back to root. Oh, come on. All right, now we're chilling. Do I need to add any? No, dude, we're chilling. Cool. Watch this. So much. Booyah. We have a login. Login. I mean, theoretically, I did not set up auth, but at least the data is being captured. Sign in or login. Full stack login. Code in. Coding cowboy. Cool. Full stack dev. BG. Nice. Log in. The coding cowboy. Please, please. Yes. Hello. Jeff Curtis. That's funny. All right, cool. Save. I'm gonna just npm run build this again. Am I in there? Yeah, I am. We're chilling, dude. For sale. FullStackDev. Sign out. Oh yeah, I guess I didn't do protected, but whatever. It's fine. At least it feels like it's a protected route, but it's not. However, what I want to do is have this go to the sign in button. Crap. I don't want to listen to this one. Promise you, this is the best. It's still the one of the best songs. All right, what's next, dog? Think. Oh, wait, let's just look at the user pools. Coding users. Yeah, so what we do, let's go to view login, sign in, sign out. But I want to actually you know what, dude? Screw it. I'm just gonna do this. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. We're gonna knock this out. I'm going to just change this to VIP page this time. This is our private route. We have a nav bar. I don't really care for the nav bar. Please get back to me. All right, we'll do VIP page. VIP page, bruh. Okay, we're chilling there. Now I want to look at the protected route, which is fine. Super easy to do. The only important thing to add is it's definitely inside the routes. Protected route. Come on, we're gonna get rid of you. I'm gonna do a VIP page here. Now let's import VIP page. We're not gonna put it in a folder, don't worry about it. It's still gonna be called protected, which is fine. So now we're gonna change. Now I need to add the function and the variable for the authorization, but I'm going to do that with a separate protected route. So I'm going to create another file, protected route JSX. I'll bring this over. Essentially, I'm going to be importing this into the app and call it and use it as a constant as auth. So, for example, app now protected. Yeah, we're chilling because we have. All right, go back to main. Do protected. Actually, no. Yeah, protected. Because it's gonna, the protected route is gonna route to the VIP page. That is here. We'll organize this really quick. Coding cowboy, bro. Okay, I'm almost done. Now I want to make sure what did I do for the main here? Yeah, we're good. Bring in auth provider. Let's see. Cool. I'm going to copy and paste this into our login pages, our redirect URLs again. There we go. Hit save. That's fine. I just need to install that really quick. npm I at yes. Was it the icon? All right. All right. Cool. Localhost, that's done. We should be okay. Headless. Oops. At headless. Oh gosh. Oh yeah. Oh gosh. Come on, dude. You need to take a break. It's break time. It's done. Cool. Gosh darn it. Protected route. That's fine. Holy crap. What do we got? Ah, crap. Do I have to do? Where are we missing here? App component. Consider protected route is not defined. Oh, that's an easy fix. My bad. Got to import that really quick. Import protected route. Yeah, we're good. Cool. Look at us go. Okay. But I want this to. Okay. Shoot. No. Where's my Lambda function? Dude, it's time to go home, bro. I'm losing my mind. Where are you? Oh my gosh. I already have that there. Nice. There we go. Heck yeah. but I want to sign out. Well, I want to make sure I add that really quick, and then I'm going home. Go to view code. Let's add this really quick. This first on JSON file. 2. Make sure it routes correctly and for cell when I deploy it for cell. Man. Okay, this is brutal. All right. And then I'll have to change for production. I need to change the HTTP to HTTPS. This is insane. Okay, time to go. For cell. This is insane, bro. All right. And then the last thing I need to do is add the URL to, so this is Vite, so it looks like. I'm gonna go to, yeah, just visit, copy, and I'm going to put in environment variable settings of Vercel. Wait, what the hell just happened? Shoot, crap. Holy crap. Oh yeah, that's what I'm doing. I need to do that. Protected. I don't know. That should be good. And then final hurrah would be adding that to the Google console. Protected. Okay. Should we go here? Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna redeploy. Change that up. I need to add this to the permissions. Oh man, I also probably need to okay, now it's time to just deploy. My brain hurts. Everything hurts. Let's just start again. I mean, just to be safe, I'm gonna just add this production and add the variables. Frick. Actually, I don't think I'm going to. All right, I'm out. This is brutal. I'm out. 2 hours.